The chocolate-making process begins with a selection of key ingredients.
Butter serves as a crucial fat component, contributing to the smooth texture of chocolate. Cocoa powder provides the characteristic flavor and color of chocolate. Powdered sugar adds sweetness and refines the texture of the chocolate. Milk powder enhances the creamy consistency and flavor profile of the final chocolate product. Butter transitions from a solid to a liquid state when heated in a pan. Melting butter is a crucial step in achieving the desired consistency for chocolate making. The transformation of butter from solid to liquid is a physical change dependent on temperature. Properly melted butter contributes to the overall texture and flavor profile of chocolate creations. Cocoa powder is gradually added to melted butter in a pan. Even distribution of cocoa powder is essential to prevent clumping. Proper mixing ensures a smooth chocolate flavor. Uneven distribution can lead to a lumpy texture and inconsistent flavor. The goal is to achieve a homogeneous blend of cocoa and butter. This process is critical for achieving the desired taste and texture in chocolate-based recipes. Powdered sugar is added to a mixture of melted butter and cocoa powder. Powdered sugar provides sweetness to the chocolate mixture. The fine texture of powdered sugar contributes to the smoothness of the chocolate. The addition of powdered sugar enhances the overall texture and taste profile. Powdered sugar dissolves evenly, creating a consistent and smooth chocolate base. Proper mixing ensures the powdered sugar integrates fully, preventing a grainy texture. Milk powder is added to enhance the creamy texture of homemade chocolate. The addition of milk powder contributes to the overall milky flavor profile of the chocolate. Proper mixing ensures the milk powder is evenly distributed throughout the chocolate mixture. The ratio of milk powder to chocolate affects the final product's sweetness and smoothness. Milk powder acts as an emulsifier, binding the fats and liquids in the chocolate. Different types of milk powder can be used, each imparting unique flavor and texture characteristics. Ingredients are combined in a pan using a spoon. Thorough mixing is essential for creating a smooth, homogeneous paste. Proper mixing eliminates lumps and ensures a uniform consistency. A homogeneous mixture results in a consistent final product. The mixture transforms into a smooth, glossy paste. Proper combination of ingredients results in the desired paste consistency. Achieving a smooth paste confirms readiness for the next step in the process. Visual confirmation of the paste texture ensures quality control. A chocolate mold or parchment-lined plate is prepared to receive the chocolate mixture. Proper preparation ensures easy removal of the chocolate after it has set. The mold or plate serves as a temporary container for the chocolate as it solidifies. Using parchment paper prevents the chocolate from sticking to the plate. The choice of mold or plate depends on the desired shape and size of the final chocolate product. Preparation is a crucial step in the chocolate making process. Smooth chocolate paste is poured into a prepared mold. The even distribution of the mixture ensures uniform thickness. Uniform thickness is critical for the final chocolate product's quality. The pouring process is carefully controlled to maintain consistency. The mold's design facilitates the creation of specific chocolate shapes. Chocolate mixture is poured into a mold or plate in preparation for refrigeration. The mold containing the chocolate mixture must be covered before refrigeration. Covering the mold prevents the chocolate from absorbing unwanted odors inside the refrigerator. Uncovered chocolate can absorb odors, negatively impacting the final product's flavor profile. Proper covering ensures the chocolate maintains its intended flavor and quality during refrigeration. Refrigeration is crucial for solidifying chocolate and achieving the desired texture. Placing the chocolate mold in the refrigerator facilitates rapid cooling. Solidification through refrigeration ensures the chocolate maintains its shape and structure. Controlled cooling prevents blooming, preserving the chocolate's appearance and quality. Refrigeration optimizes the chocolate's snap and mouthfeel. Chocolate requires a setting period of 2-3 hours in the refrigerator. Refrigeration promotes solidification, ensuring the chocolate sets properly. Patience is required during the setting stage to achieve the desired chocolate consistency. Proper solidification is essential for optimal chocolate texture and structure. Solidified chocolate is removed from the refrigerator. The cooling process allows the chocolate to harden and set within the mold. The solidified chocolate is now ready for unmolding or cutting into individual pieces. Refrigeration facilitates the crystallization of cocoa butter, contributing to the chocolate's snap and shine. The chocolate is carefully removed from the mold. Clean release indicates successful setting. Proper mold preparation ensures easy removal. Optimal setting conditions contribute to the structural integrity of the chocolate. The smooth surface of the released chocolate reflects the quality of the mold. The homemade chocolate is divided into individual pieces. Cutting the chocolate reveals its internal texture and composition. The process of cutting transforms the large block into serving portions. Each piece of chocolate showcases the craftsmanship and care involved in its creation. Cut chocolate pieces are carefully arranged on a serving plate. The arrangement of chocolate pieces enhances the visual appeal of the final product. The serving plate presents the chocolate in a ready-to-enjoy format. The final presentation showcases the quality and craftsmanship of the chocolate.